Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritika and today we are here to deep dive into the world of AWS VPC, beginner's guide to networking in the cloud. So in today's video, we will be discussing about AWS VPC, Virtual Private Cloud. The topics we will be covering in this video will be what is VPC, what is three-tier architecture, and we will be discussing about the use case scenario as why we use VPC and how we use VPC. And we will learn through network diagram. We will discuss about the VPC components, and in the end, I will give you the key benefits of VPC. So let's get started. What is VPC? Think of it as it's your own virtual network in the AWS cloud. It gives you complete control over the virtual network, IP addresses, ranges, subnets, and route tables. With AWS VPC, you can create multiple subnets to segregate your EC2 instances, ensuring your enhanced security and increased availability of your application. And we will be discussing about network ACLs and security groups in few seconds. It is a three-tier architecture. On the first tier, we have web servers. Those are public facing, means they are on the public subnet, and it will be connected to the internet through internet gateway, means the instance in the web server can access the internet through HTTP or the HTTPS. Then on the second tier we have application server, which will be on our private subnet and will speak to our web server and the backend database server. And on the third tier, we have database server, which will be on our private subnet, which can speak to application server through virtual private gateway connected to VPN, virtual private network. For example, you have a medium-sized e-commerce company and that is rapidly growing its online presence. So the company's website is crucial for the business and ensuring the security, scalability, and highly availability of web application is the top priority. So in our network diagram, we can see so first we have our region, then we'll select the IP address for our VPC. There's a website called cider.xyz to calculate our IP address ranges. So in our example, we have taken 10.0.0.0/16. So you can see it will directly straight away give you the CIDR base IP, broadcast IP, the counts. So we have 65,536 IP addresses. Our first usable IP address is 10.0.0.1 and last usable IP address is 10.0.255.254. So here you can calculate your IP address ranges. If you go for 24, smaller range of IP addresses, so you'll take 24, so we get 256 IP addresses, and if we go further down to 28, we have 16, and few of the IP addresses are reserved by Amazon, so we have lowest amount of IP address in /28. So most businesses use 10.0.0.0/16, or you can use 172.16.0.0, or you can use 192.168.0.0, and this one is mostly used for our home networking. So when we create VPC, it will create route table, network ACLs and routers. So we have instances and security groups in public subnet, and when we connect it to our internet through internet gateway, so our instances will be internet accessible in web server. Then we'll create a private subnet having the application server, which will connect our application server and database server through VPN, virtual private network. Web servers, application servers, and database instances are launched in their respective subnets, each assigned an appropriate security group. So in our example, once the e-commerce company website connect to our internet gateway, the instance will have the internet access. There will be a lot of web traffic. So our ELP will be distributing the web traffic in our VPC environment, and we need to handle varying traffic of loads. So for that, we need to implement the auto scaling for web server instances, ensuring that the application can seamlessly adjust the increased demand. I have already created a video on how to create EC2 instances. If you haven't checked that out, go and check out after this video. I will put that link in the description below or somewhere here on the top. You can click on that link. And for our website, we need Amazon Route 53 to manage DNS and domain names, routing traffic to Elastic Load Balancer for load balancing and failover. If you have any questions regarding any of this topic, please put that on the comments below. I'll definitely read your comments and I'll try to respond on your comments. So that is how we create our VPC within our AWS networking environment. So next we will be discussing the key benefits. So in our example, we have seen how the e-commerce company has created a VPC environment in the AWS cloud. So what are the key benefits which our company will be receiving with this AWS VPC environment? In terms of security, the multi-layer architecture and the security groups provide granular control over the traffic flow, ensuring that the sensitive data is protected. The ability to scale horizontally with the auto scaling and have highly available architecture helps the XYZ tech handle traffic spikes during events and promotions. With the resources distributed across the multiple AZs, availability zones, and failover mechanism, XYZ Tech website will be available during any of the AZ failure. And the use of Elastic Load Balancer proper routing improves the web application performance and responsiveness. In the upcoming sessions, we will dive deeper in VPC components, IDO ranges, subnets, and best practice for network security. So whether you are new to AWS or you are pro in AWS, everyone is having something in this video series. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit on the notification bell so you will not miss out any of the videos in this series. If you have any questions on any topic, please drop them on the comments below. I'll definitely read your comments. So let's embark on the journey of AWS VPC together. See you next video. Bye-bye.